Welcome to our channel. First, listen to the following text carefully until the end. After that, practice you speaking by repeating each sentence. Use this method until you feel comfortable speaking English.
Morning routine. It's 7 o'clock. Wake up. Now brush your teeth, comb your hair, and get dressed. Make your bed. Now eat your breakfast. We are out of cereal. Eat the toast. Put the dishes in the sink, please, and put the milk in the fridge. Take your backpack. Where is your backpack? Oh, find it now. Check it to see if you have everything you need. Okay, now go. Take care, okay? Have a great day at school. And eat your apple, not just the cookies.
Now let's practice your speaking. Listen each sentence, pause the video, and repeat it out loud until you make sure you have learned it.
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Wake up. Wake up. Now brush your teeth. Now brush your teeth. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. And get dressed. And get dressed. Make your bed. Make your bed. Now eat your breakfast. Now eat your breakfast. We are out of cereal. Eat the toast. We are out of cereal. Eat the toast. Put the dishes in the sink, please. Put the dishes in the sink, please. And put the milk in the fridge. And put the milk in the fridge. Take your backpack. Take your backpack. Where is your backpack? Where is your backpack? Oh, find it now. Oh, find it now. Check it to see if you have everything you need. Check it to see if you have everything you need. Okay, now go. Take care, okay? Okay, now go. Take care, okay? Have a great day at school. Have a great day at school. And eat your apple, not just the cookies. And eat your apple, not just the cookies.
Congratulations! Keep on practicing. Thanks for watching.